Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change password on Bitget wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Bitget wallet application from your app drawer. Once you get to the main homepage, make sure to log into your wallet. Once you are logged in, from the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now, click on the security button from the list. Tap on the edit button right next to login password. Enter your current password in the first text box. After you are done, enter your new password in the next field. Confirm the new password by entering it in the last field. Once you are done, tap on submit. On the next page, enter your verification code sent to you via your email or your SMS. Once you are done, tap on confirm and you have now successfully changed your wallet's password. So that is how it's easily done. Next time you log in to your account or anytime when prompted, you will need to enter the newly updated password. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.